Was having acidity problem, and my father also having high blood pressure. So because of this, I start using the products first, and I feel the products really help me. So that's why I involved in the business. And then 2 years back, I came to India and start to expand the business here.
I had skin problem on my face. I had some rash and dark circles, which I also gone to the skin specialist, and but he would not give me any proper ointment or medicine for my skin, because he said your skin is very sensitive. Then I took some products from here, that is the soap, jelly and R3 factor, by which it really turned my face. That means the skin on my face really started to glow. And then people started to ask me that, how is it, Suraya, what have you done for your face? So I said, see, this is the product which I am using. And by this I was able to get more and more, customers and friends asking me about myself.
I didn't using any cosmetic outside, so because I'm very scared, outside the products will harm my skin and everything. So this company with the cosmetic products is my first product what I'm using. So, and we launched in 1998. We have a cosmetic. Up to now I'm using all cosmetic. It doesn't harm my skin, and I find compared with outside, I went to outside to check the other product, the quality. It's totally different. I cannot find another outside products just like our products, the quality and the natural.
Distribute these products to all our friends and our relatives also, because we don't have any tension saying that no, how are we to recommend these products. We are now challenging people that yes, you use our products and you see how it betterments. And by this, supposing if you feel that these products are little pinching, you can do business also with this, by which these products become free for you. And this is the same concept which I have been telling everybody.
FLP is going to be a household product to be used by every household. There is no saturation of the product, and everybody really needs it. One may live without TV, without television, without motorcycle, but one cannot live without health. It's a basic requirement.
I had been suffering from a very bad problem of low backache and also acidity for the last 10 to 12 years. I used the product for 2 months. I got rid of all the problems. That made me think to join the business. There's only one superstar of a company, that's the aloe vera gel. Apart from that, we've got other products to go with it, like the honey. The activator, of course, I find is the most beneficial product. The tooth gel.
Number one is aloe vera gel, and same level there is 4 products is number one. One is tooth gel, one is shampoo and honey, and this 1, 2, 3 products are very good. Feature is excellent because I traveled in same FLP in Dubai and Malaysia and Taiwan, Kuala Lumpur and all.
Future in FLP, it's really very good. I can see myself as a diamond manager.
I realized that company is excellent and well planned and well organized. This is the right product to clean the industry and stay health and all things. And same way, and physically also fit and financially also fit. And product is result oriented.
We joined FLP for health and wealth.
These products are fantastic even for animals. Talking of animals, we have thoroughbreds who are using the products. Also have all kinds of pets. In fact, this is the only company, FLP, which is endorsed by Cabis, which is an insurance company in the UK, which is for pets, dogs and cats, and these products are endorsed.
प्रोडक्ट का जहाँ तक सवाल है, मेरे ख्याल इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट कभी भी किसी प्रोड्यूसर ने इस संसार में नहीं बनाए.
It is the phenomenal products and the fantastic, simple, relatively simple marketing plan, in spite of having 10 levels of income, but all these levels are achievable, and money, security, guaranteed, and health is wealth. So you have it all. It's all in one nutshell.
मेरी मदर को एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, उनको थोड़ा ब्रेस्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. We got checked up everything. It was not cancer, but this mammary gland, it became very hard. It became like a rock. Then it was to be operated. It was operated about 5 years back. there was a surgery, and on the surgery, what we could see last year, there is some poison is coming, like something pus formation has come. I had the product like jelly. I told my wife, the jelly is very, very impressive, why don't you try this? You see, my mother applied the jelly in the affected area only in one day. The very next day, it was normal. It became red, and the very next day it became the normal. It was something which it brought my mother from that fear that something is there inside. I'll tell you about my personal experience, my eyesight. I was facing some problem. I was not able to see with my regular specs, so I went for the checkup. My right was 1.5, left was 1, -1. Okay. Doctor checked and he said, your right is 0.75 and left is 0.25. So he asked me, why it is? Because I'm 46, and at this stage normally it increases. The credit goes to aloe vera, because for the last 7 months I'm regularly on the aloe vera. I'm drinking it on a regular basis. This is the only plan which gives you the future security. We are not only making the monthly checks, very fat checks, but we are securing the futures.
I was a patient of sinusitis, migraine, and I was suffering from dust allergy for the last 30 years. And for the last 30 years, I was living on Novalgins. I was popping a painkiller called Novalgin religiously every day, at least one. When I say at least one, sometimes it used to be 2 or 3. Now that did not give me relief, okay, just temporary relief, but I also suffer from stomach ulcers because of the Novalgin, and I couldn't even bear the sight of breakfast, leave alone have it. A common friend of ours, mine and Sumitra's, Rekha Kumar, she came to me and she told me that why don't you take this yellow gel, it has helped me also. And I started having the product, and in about 6 days I got the results. In 6 days I realized, first time in 30 years I didn't need a Novalgin. I drank FLP, I thought FLP, I breathed FLP, and I still am doing that, and I will continue to do that for as long as I live.